This awesome project we're kicking off here today, here at Millennium High School, is really to address a lot of critical needs on the campus. Our students and our teachers deserve the best learning spaces possible. We're tearing down part of this building this summer, and then we're going to rebuild it bigger. This basement that we're in right now is primarily science classes. There's also going to be some CTE courses, as well as some awesome new community spaces as well that'll be kind of some multi-purpose gathering, meeting, event type space. This project is funded by our community. It's funded from the proceeds of the 2024 bond that was passed by our community. The community made it clear they wanted to address the learning spaces, the academic spaces on campus, so that's what we're doing. We told the community that we wouldn't raise their tax rates in doing this, so we appreciate the trust they've put in us, so we plan on honoring our commitments to them as well.